Begin by turning on the flash machine. Next, adjust your power setting to 6. If you plan to flash multiple units, we recommend you use the optional cooling fan. For Z-foam, you need to install the magnetic pressing plate to the inside of the lid. We recommend stapling your vellum to the transparency to keep them from shifting during production. Place your vellum in the exposure chamber. Align your flash foam with the artwork, foam facing down. Close the lid on the unit, push the handle all the way forward till it locks, and press the flash button. There will be a single flash. Disengage the handle, open the lid, and peel your flash die from the vellum. To prep your ink bottle, start by removing the cap from the nipple. For proper ink flow, cut the nipple just above the first notch. Replace the cap on the nipple. Unscrew the cap on your ink bottle and replace it with the nipple. Your ink bottle is now ready for use. To assemble your Maxlight Z-Style mount, begin by removing the retaining ring from inside the mount. Next, place your flash die, impression down, inside the retaining ring. Then, add the cartridge ring. Remove the cap from the ink bottle. Fill the reservoir, creating a heaping effect with the ink. You will need to wait 30 seconds for Forever ink and 1 minute for premium ink to absorb into the cartridge. Once you've waited the appropriate time, place the centerpiece on top of the ink using light pressure to allow for equal ink distribution. Snap the mount onto the retaining ring. Once in place, apply light pressure around the edge of the stamp to secure it. Once assembled, premium ink takes approximately 1 hour to migrate, and Forever ink takes approximately 30 minutes.